repeat again the example number 2?
We times 2 and 60, it equals 120 minutes, and plus the 35 from the clock.
Okay, very good. Okay, the main concept you need to understand is multiply, correct? Okay, so means if 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, 2 hours, automatically you should know the 2, you have to multiply it with 60. So 2 times 60 is equals to 120 minutes, correct or not? Correct or not? 120 minutes. So since the minutes are already given there, which is 35 minutes, so 120 minutes, if you add up it with the 35 minutes, so the answer is 155 minutes. Very good, Laichiki. So 2 hours and 35 minutes when converted to minutes become 155 minutes, or 2 hours 35 minutes is equals to 155 minutes. Any question?
No.
No. Okay. So example number 3. All can see my screen, right? Okay, example
Yes,
number 3. Queeners, can you please explain this? How to convert 5 hours, 17 minutes to minutes.
Need to divide.
Come again.
Need to time.
Explain lah. 5 hours, 17 minutes. How to convert into minutes?
5 times 6 equal 300 and 300 minutes.
5 times 6.
Minutes equal
Hello.
317 minutes.
5 times 6, you got 300 already. Queeners, I'm asking you 5 times 6, you got 300. Queeners, 5 times 6 or 5 times 60?
5 times 60 equal 300 plus 17 equal 317.
Yes, so 5 hours and 17 minutes when converted to minutes becomes 317 minutes. Why? Because as I said earlier, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, correct or not? So the 2 hours, sorry, ignore these 2, consider this as 5, okay? 5 hours time with 60, you should get 300 minutes. So we still have 17 minutes here, what? So plus with the 17 minutes, you should get 317 minutes. Okay, this is not 2 hours, class, 5 hours. Please ignore and please try to replace it in your mind as 5 hours. Understand? Understand or not? Am I talking to the wall or to my grade 4 students? I'm talking to the wall, is it?
No.
Okay. So this one is the same. Okay, just now teacher said when you're converting hours to minutes, you have to use multiplication, and vice versa. How? When you are converting minutes to hours, you have to use division. Understand or not? Understand or not? Do I need to repeat? When you are converting hours to minutes, you have to use the multiplication. And for converting minutes to hours, you have to use division. Any doubts? Let's say 60 minutes is equals to
1 hour.
1 hour. So it means 60, you have to 60 minutes there, you need to divide with 1 hour there. It depends on how you are dividing. Later I will show you in example there. Okay, let's see with the example so it will be easier for you. Okay, convert 540 minutes to hours. How? How? Teacher said when converting minutes to hours, we have to use division. Correct? Correct or not?
Correct.
Okay, so how? Convert 550 minutes to hours.
150 minutes divide 60.
60, very good. 540, okay, 540 minutes, they are already given in minutes, right? So now you are converting into hours, mean teacher said you need to use the division. Very good, Hemar. You have to divide it with 60. Can you all see the working that I've shown here?
Yes.
540. You have to show the
Yes.
working in your final term exam. Huh? Don't just give me the answer. Just giving answer, no marks will be given. Understand?
Teacher not half mark meh?
0. Half mark also now.
Why?
Because no working, I just straight away put 0.
No, God, please.
Cannot. Okay, so 550, if you are dividing it with 60, so how many hours class?
It's 9 hours, teacher.
Thank you, Miss Coffee. 9 hours. Okay, so we are moving to another example here. How to this one, class? Again, from hours to minutes, correct? 2 hours, 30 minutes to minutes. How to convert this? Who can tell to teacher? This one is minutes, 2 minutes. So, do we need to multiply or divide? What we need to do, class? Multiply. Very good. Convert 2 hours, 30 minutes to minutes. That means 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 2 hours, you have to multiply it with 60 minutes, correct? Okay, 2 hours is equals to how many minutes, class? What are you doing, like chicken? Are you doing something else there? Focus here, everyone. Okay. 2 hours, if you multiply it with 60 minutes, how many minutes for 2 hours? 120 minutes. Very good. So now 120 minutes, you need to add up with 30 more minutes there. Can you all see that? 2 hours, 30 minutes. If you add it up with 30 minutes, so 2 hours, 30 minutes is equals to how many minutes, class?
50 minutes.
150 minutes. Okay, very good. Okay, so this one, the last example, example number 6. Okay, this one, okay, you have to convert it into hours. So teacher said, if you are converting minutes into hours, we need to multiply or divide.
Multiply.
Divide. Very good. Divide. Hours to minutes multiply. But minutes to hours divide what? Very good, chicken. So 670 minutes. You are converting the minutes into hours. Okay. As I said earlier, 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, right? So now 670 minutes, if you're converting into hours. Can you all see the working here? Can you all see the working here?
Yeah.
Okay, 670 minutes, you are dividing it with 60, correct? So 1 times 60 is equals to 60. So 67 minus 60 is equals to 7. So you bring the 0 down. So 70, 1 times 60 is equals to 60. The balance is 10 minutes. No need to make it as decimals. No need. The remainders, just leave it. So the remainder is the minutes. Understand? So hours are how many? Hours are how many? Yes, 11 hours. 11 hours, 10 minutes. Can you all see here how teacher converting the minutes into hours?
Yes.
Chris just joined. So late. Okay, so can see, who still don't understand how to convert minutes to hours? Anybody, any questions? Who still don't understand how to converting from hours to minutes and minutes to hours? Okay, shall we recall back? If you want to convert from hours to minutes, you need to use hours to minutes. Multiplication, very good. Minutes to hours. Minutes to hours. Divide, very good. You need to use division. Okay, very good. Any question? Scofield, Light Chicken, Hemar, Vincent, Channel, Ethan, Quinas, Elrich. Any question? Any questions before we move to another slide?
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. So I stopped sharing and I'm sharing again one more slide, which is calculating the duration of time. Okay, we are still in the same topic, section 3, duration of time. Just now, we have learned about converting hours to minutes and minutes into hours, right? Okay, now is about the duration of time. How we are going to calculate the duration of time from one time to another time? How? Okay, shall we move to the slide number 1?
Yes.
Can see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, by finding the duration of time, it helps us to calculate how long a person takes to do certain things. So look at the 2 clocks below. They are showing 2 different times, correct or not? Correct or not? So the time, the 2 clocks here, it's showing 2 different times, correct? Number 1 is 10:15, right? Number 2 is 10:45, correct? Correct? Oh, correct or not? Why am I telling
Correct.
wrong? Okay. So the first clock is showing 10:15. The second clock is showing 10:45. Okay. So the clock A and clock B. Let's say if the question asked, what is the duration of time shown between clock A and clock B? How? 10:15 to 10:55. Okay, how to find? Okay, Clock A shows 10:15, right? Clock B shows 10:15. Only the minute hand has moved, correct or not? Because the hour hand is didn't move at all. Correct or not? The hour hand is not moving. Only the minute hand has moved, correct? From clock A to clock B. Can you all see the moving there? That means it's moved how many minutes? From number 3. Number 3 is 15 just now, correct? And it moved to 9. 9 is 45. So it moved how many minutes, class? 15 to 45. Louder, Hema, cannot hear you.
30 minutes.
Very good. It moved 30 minutes from 3, that is 15 minutes, to reach the number 9, which is 45 minutes. So it has moved 30 minutes. Understand? Understand?
Understand.
I'm moving very slow. Understand?
Understand.
Chiki, why are you? Okay, so okay, this one. So how you are going to show the calculation? Maybe you can show the 45 minutes, right? The 9 is 45, right? Correct? So you can minus the 15 there. So the duration is 30 minutes. 45 minutes, if you minus it with the 15 minutes, you should get 30 minutes. So the duration of time in between clock A and clock B is 30 minutes. Understand? Okay, below is another way of calculating duration. How we are going to calculate this? Okay, for example, here, how long is it from 4:30 p.m. to 7:35 p.m. the same day? I'm not telling it's for the next day, it's on the same day. Okay, please remind me later if the remaining time less than 1 minute. Can? I think I'm talking to the wall lah. Even my wall also can respond to me one day.
Huh? How the world respond you?
Yeah, that's why lah. Because the wall also feel so pity to the teacher talking
No,
alone.
teacher. I think the world will reflect the sound I send to you.
Hello. So how long is it? Come back to the question. How long is it from 4:30 p.m. to 7:35 p.m. on the same day? Okay. Can you all see here the gaps in between 4:30 p.m. and then 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. How long?
1 hour.
1 hour. And then from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. How long?
1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour.
And then 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. is how long?
1 hour.
1 hour. So, but it stopped at 7:35, right? But we are stopped here at 7:30. So 7:30 p.m. to 7:35 p.m. we still have how many minutes? 5 minutes. So that means 1, 2, 3. 3 hours, 5 minutes. Understand?
Understand.
Okay, very good. Can you all see here? By looking at the number line above, we can say that the duration between 4:30 p.m. to 7:35 p.m. is 3 hours, 5 minutes. How? 1 hour plus 1 hour plus another 1 hour is 3 hours, and then plus with the 5 minutes. So the gaps, the duration between 4:30 p.m. to 7:35 p.m. is 3 hours and 5 minutes. Understand or not? Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, Sony. Okay, wait, I'll move this one. Okay, Sonny started eating his dinner at 6:45 p.m. He finished having dinner at 7:15 p.m. How long did he take to finish his meal? And repeat the question. Sonny started eating his dinner at 6:45 p.m. He finished having a meal, his dinner at 7:15 p.m. On the same day, it's not on the next day. Understand? On the same day. On the same day means the 6:45 p.m. he finished eating at 7:15 p.m. So how long did he take to finish his meal?
2 hours and 30 minutes.
2 hours and 30 minutes? Hello. 6:45 until 7:15. 2 hours.
1 hour.
1 hour? Oh my
45
God. No. Hello. Can you all see the duration here?
Takes 20 minutes.
No.
30.
6:45 p.m. to 7 p.m. How long it takes? For
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Very good. And then from 7 p.m. to 7:15 p.m. How long? 15 minutes. So total how many minutes he took for finish his meal?
20. 20 minutes.
Wrong.
15.
30 minutes lah. Oh, why again repeating the 20, 20, 20, Hemar? 6:45 to 7:15 ma. 6:45 to 7 o'clock, 15 minutes, right? Can you see the timeline here? The time he started his dinner at 6:55, correct or not? 6:55 to 7 o'clock is 15 minutes, right? And then, but he finished at 7:15 what? So we still have another 15 minutes, correct? So 15 minutes plus with 15 minutes, it takes 30 minutes. By looking at the number line above here, we can say that Sonny took 30 minutes to finish his meal. Understand? 15 minutes plus 15 minutes is equal to 30 minutes. Any question? Any question, my dear class?
No,
No. No,
I don't know.
you don't have. Okay. You don't know? What does it mean? Chicken, I cannot hear you properly. Okay. So now, what is the duration of time from 10:15 a.m. to 2:10 p.m. on the same day? The same day. Okay, who can tell to teacher how long it takes from 10:15 a.m. to 2:10 p.m.? Hello, anyone please try? What is the duration of time from 10:15 a.m. to 2:10 p.m. the same day?
On 3 hours 50.
How?
Is it 3 hours?
How?
Teacher, your voice is glitching out.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good. So 10:15 to 11:15 is 1 hour, correct? Class, can you hear me now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes.
10:15 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. is 1 hour. And then 11:15 to 12:15 is 1 more hour. 12:15 to 1:15 is 1 hour. So the total hours are 3 hours. But we still have time until 2:10. Even though it's not reached at 2:15, but it stopped at 2:10. 2:10 means how long? 1:15 to 2:10. 55 minutes, correct? 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 55 minutes is equals to 3 hours 55 minutes. By looking at the number line above, we can say that the duration between 10:15 a.m. to 2:10 p.m. is 3 hours 55 minutes. Understand?
Understand.
Okay, very good. Okay, this one. I think is the last example. The train, okay, less than a minute. Please end the call and join again, Ken.
Yes, teacher.